some to your brother, hon.
No.
Throw them. Awesome. There you go. Feed them. Feed them. Hang on. Back up. I've got the car trying to get through. Feed them.
Right now.
Throw them out there. Don't let them get close.
What?
Toss them out there.
Come on.
Go.
Come on. Oh my God.
Don't get too
This
close.
is some.
Dad.
Let me see some.
Don't get too close.
Let me see some.
Back up. All right, we're good. Come on. Come on. Let him go. We gotta go in the other store. Come on. Other store.
See you later.